Rösti potatoes, once again, very rarely seen. When I was a young man in Le Gavroche, we used to make them all the time. They're delicious. All it is matchstick potatoes, dried in a cloth, in a bowl, tossed in butter, seasoning, and fried in clarified butter until crispy. It's that simple. Okay. Just dry your potato. Always be aware where your fingers are. The mandolin has this wonderful way of eating your hands. There we are. About 2 mils thick. As you may have noticed, I slice lengthways, not across. If you ask me why, I don't know. It makes it harder. Okay, then dry your potatoes. Just take off that excess water into the bowl. So we've dried our potatoes. A little butter. Work your butter through your potatoes. Seasoning, and season while they're moving. Otherwise, it'll stick. There we have it. Okay. Little butter. Take our potatoes and spread them across. Just work them into shape. A little more butter. Compact them down. So that's the basic shape. Okay. Into the middle of the stove. Bring the heat in slowly, and like the Maximes, that gentle caramelization, which is just built up slowly. Because if you don't do it slowly, you scorch them, you don't caramelize them. If you listen carefully, you can hear the pan starting to sing. That noise is the heat starting to extract the water from the potato. And before you can caramelize the potato, you have to extract the water from within it. So just shape slowly. Exactly the same as the Pomme Maxime, just oil your tray. Because if you don't oil your tray, when it comes back to sliding it into the pan, once you've flipped it, it can resist, you can lose your shape. As you can see, just slowly shape her. But when you make a latke, exactly the same way with finely sliced onions which have been dried, chop parsley, mix it through in the butter, cook it quickly, bang, slide it onto the tray, slide the eggs on top. Delicious crystal salt, bit of mignonette pepper. You can see why I'm so fat. Again, as you can see, slowly rotating the Rösti. And I want that nice golden crispness on the outside before I flip it. Just keep on shaping her. No rush. Let the pan and the stove do the work. I'm just there to guide her. Okay. Let's move a little bit of the butter. Okay, it's time to turn the tray. And slide. Okay. A little bit of butter. What makes the rosty delicious is the butter. And the potatoes absorb a percentage of it. If you cooked in oil, it wouldn't be as delicious. If you haven't got clarified butter, then buy ghee. So there we have our pom rosty. A little crystal salt, just crush between your fingers. That smell of the earth, the sea, and the butter is sensational. And the way to serve it, wow. Oh, look at that. And there we have it, pom rosty, cooked to perfection. A delicious side dish at any dining table.